Welcome to my YouTube channel. If your washing machine shows F1 error, it means dirt has blocked the water filter or the water pressure is low. If it's blockage, then open the plastic ring on the tap in anti-clockwise motion. As you see, that metallic mash inside is the filter and it's full of dirt. The dirt in the filter is blocking the water flow. I'm going to put water in a basin and use a toothbrush to clean. I'm using a toothbrush because of its soft bristles that would not damage the filter. Fix your finger into the tap for a few seconds, then remove your finger. This process or action will help to push out dirt. If the tap has dirt inside it, the water flowing out the tap will turn brown. After cleaning the water filter, then fix it back by rolling the flexible plastic ring in a clockwise motion. Step 2. Cleaning the second water inlet. Before opening the second water inlet, make sure the tap is turned off because water will flow. The inlet has a plastic water filter which is a bit dirty with dirt. I'm going to use a toothbrush to clean it, then after I'm going to pour some water on it to splash out the dirt. I poured the water which I used to clean the water filter into the sink. See how dirty the water filter was.